Hey y'all, I'm Chris and this is It Worth It, y'all? And today we're gonna come at you with a quick canning cuisine recipe. And today we're gonna use 2-quart jars today. French onion soup and our infamous chicken stock. So we wanna use this French onion soup because it's been on the shelf for a couple years and we need to get rid of it. And so we wanted to do something that was not French onion soup, just, you know, heat it up, dump it. We wanted to do something with it. So we're gonna make creamy French onion orzo. So we're gonna use this orzo pasta. And we're gonna kick it up a notch, maybe do some roasted vegetables on the side, and it's gonna be an amazing quick dinner. So stick around, here we go. All right, first ingredient is our French onion soup. Now you guys know that we can't can dairy, so you're probably looking at this going, Chris, that's not really French onion soup. It's the French onion soup recipe minus the dairy. So we're gonna let this cook a little bit, simmer down maybe 5-10 minutes, and then we're gonna keep going. All right, y'all, that looks nice. It's cooked down a little bit. We've been going about 10 minutes. It's reduced a little bit. Looks really, really good. Let me go get some orzo. All right, we're gonna go in with, that was a quart of French onion soup. We're going in with 1.5 cups of orzo. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take another quart of our chicken stock and add it to this so that orzo orzo pasta, I keep trying to call it rice, orzo pasta beefs up. This is the one where we use the chicken feet. So this is like an amazing chicken broth or turkey stock. I'll link this video in a card so you can go check it out. All right, now we're going to let this go for roughly 10 minutes to get that pasta nice and past al dente, because we're not al dente people. Let that simmer down. We're going to steam some cauliflower, and dinner will be on the table. All right, y'all, we're getting there. Got another 4 minutes left. This is thickening up nice. I will say that the pasta is trying to stick to the bottom of this bowl or this pot. So I have been over here just continually stirring it to try to keep it off of the bottom. I walked away for a couple minutes, came back, and it was like... Our cauliflower, we steamed it in the Instant Pot, so we'll see how that goes. But this, I mean, it's thickening up really nice. Look at that. Once we get this pasta cooked past al dente, because we don't like al dente, then we are going to add a ton of Swiss cheese into this, and then we'll serve it up. All right, there. This is the orzo, French onions orzo. We topped it with some Swiss cheese, and we've got some steamed broccoli here. I put some Bouquet Garnier seasoning on the cauliflower. So, all right, we're gonna go see what the official taste tester thinks after this cools off a little bit. All right, y'all, it's molten lava right now, but Greg's over there trying it too. Oh, you got the cauliflower.
I've got the cauliflower.
Okay. You tell me how the cauliflower is. I'm going to do this real quick. It's like, look at it. It's hot.
Cauliflower is good.
Cauliflower's good? Mm-hmm. You like the Bouquet Garnier on it?
Mm-hmm.
It's a Bouquet Garnier and butter. Everything's better with butter.
I can't believe this is noodles.
Right?
Yeah. You kept calling it rice. It looks like rice.
No, it's pasta. How do you like the French onion soup and the Swiss cheese?
It's actually a good combo.
Yeah, I think so too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's good.
Good. All right, y'all, we got another winner. I think it needs more pepper. I like the salt from the French onion soup, but I think it needs more black pepper. But I like black pepper. So we hope you enjoyed that. We're going to put you some other recipes over here and maybe our quick canning cuisine catalog so you can go check out other items. What would you use your French soup base that you've canned? Let me know. Comment below and tell me what you'd use it for, because this is a recipe I looked up and I've never heard of it before. And sometimes you just don't want to have French onion soup. You want to do something different. So I think we hit a winner here, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until we see you on the next video. Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.